Kia ora, my name's Tim Hore. On behalf of the Australasian Epigenetics Alliance and Genetics Otago, I'm delighted to invite you to the 8th AEPA meeting on the 2nd to the 5th of December. We're holding this meeting outside of Australia for the first time, and what better location than New Zealand's very own place of first, Waka, the University of Otago. The AEPA has a proud history. This year we're celebrating the 30th anniversary since Sue Clark published her maiden work on bisulfite sequencing, and 15 years since Ryan Lister turned this into a genome-wide technique. Joining Ryan and Sue is a stellar lineup of international speakers including Manuel Estella, Hui Shen and Ferdinand von Mayen. Diversity is a really big focus this year. We encourage early career researchers and those working on techniques or diverse plant and animal model systems to apply for talks. It's not just about the science. Many of you will be visiting New Zealand in the South Te Waipounamu for the first time. We have partnered with Selwyn College, New Zealand's first university college, to provide exceptionally good value shared facility accommodation in an iconic setting. To get here, fly direct to Dunedin from Auckland, Wellington or Christchurch, or if you want to explore, why not fly into Queenstown and soak up the adventure capital of New Zealand. We're arranging a bus to pick you up and drop you off. For full information on the meeting, as well as links to registration and abstract submission, head to aepa.org.au/conferences. We're really looking forward to seeing you here in Dunedin in 2024 for AEPA meeting.